Today I will explain to you the feature of Paper Insights. This is the home page. Let's enter our project. From here we must directly go to the library section because Paper Insights can only be generated once the papers are present in ResearchPal. Over here you can see various options, and if you have seen the video about the library section you would know how to upload and gather papers in the library section, either through paper search or manual upload using Zotero or even Mendeley. So right now I have a few papers here saved with me. You can add them to the paper insights from over here, or you can head towards the paper insights section as I am doing so right now. Once you enter the papers insights section, you can choose up to 3 files as it says so in this bar. So let's choose the top 3 papers and click proceed. Over here we have generated the insights of these 3 papers. The titles are visible and you can change the format as to whether you want a shorter or longer comparison between these 3 research papers. The truly intelligent features are in the columns, as you can see on the top left side, add columns. Too long, didn't read. This is not professional, this is rather for your own understanding. But what your professor might like is the comparison between the results, methods, limitations, as well as data sets if available, or we can say practical implications. Let's get down to business. Once all the insights have been loaded, it will look something like this. You can scroll through the table while you can see the paper's name right here. And even now, this is the short insight and there are 3 bullet points, so you can make it longer and see how much more content it can bring for you. This is a whole section of your thesis or dissertation that gets covered within seconds. As you can view over here. So yes, this and much more, as I have shown you the multiple options. Once you're done, just click export and it will give you the data in various forms, either Excel, CSV, BIB, RIS, XML. That's up to you. I hope that the paper insights column feature is clear in your mind, so start using it today.